Hello guys, today in this video we will solve about HackerRank 10 days of JavaScript problem. So today problem is conditional statement, means if else condition statement. Okay, so this is question. Okay, so guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon if you have not subscribed yet, and please like, subscribe and share. Okay, and without any delay, let's start. So this is get grade score function, which is created here. Get grade score function, and it has one parameter which is score is any number or integer. Okay, and which point earned by Julia. Okay, and the grade corresponding, if a score is less than a score is more than 25 or greater than 30, then it, Julia will get score grade A. Okay, and the score is more than 20 but less than 25, then grade B. Okay, so this all about the grade. And the sample input is when 11, then 11 is um, more than 10 but less than 15, so it will Julia will get the grade D. So D is here. So I'll come in this code, and this I will write here code, and here if score 25, I write here if else statement. If score more than 25 and score less than 30, then grade A. Julia will get grade A. So all this code I copy and paste from here. Okay, okay, and else if condition I again written for score 15 or 20, which Julia will get grade C. Okay, then all the condition I have written here. You can see this. And at last, else else condition is when score is more than 0 but less than 5, then grade F will be get. So inside the else condition, here is grade F. Okay, so let's run the code and see your output. You can see the sample test case 11 output is D grade. Okay, I submit this code. All my test cases is passed. So okay, all my test case is passed. Okay, then I will move to the next challenge. So this is all about the if else statement. Okay, thank you for watching. I will meet you in next video.